Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? So this is the latest news and very good news for all Polygon holder, my brother, because after a very long time, Polygon starting moving upward. So this is good news because all crypto market is starting moving upward. From last 7 days, all crypto market very fastly falls down, but definitely it's a good news for all of you, my brother. To Polygon is also starting moving upward, and all crypto, not just even Polygon, all crypto market firm starting moving upward. So definitely, first of all, I'm gonna show you the latest update, and after that, I just predict this is my first to upcoming time. What's the future? Can the Polygon is moving upward? The Polygon price will be increased or not? So let's see the start this video. But kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Also like this video, my friend. The last 1 hour chart, if you can see here, plus 7.81%, they moving upward. The price is in the profit. 1.96% the price change now. Absolutely, they will hit tonight, my friend, $2 if they moving and this speed. Exactly, this is possible, my friend. All Polygon holder, it's a possible to they will hit just in only $2 tonight. So if we check out, my friends, the last 24-hour chart, then absolutely we understand to upcoming time there is a chance to they moving upward or not. Even, my friend, if you can see they moving upward slowly from last hour, my friend, 24 hour. But after this, you can see here this point is completely unbelievable and massive jump, my friend. Massive jump. What a brilliant jump. You can see a plus 24.33% moving up. Wow. This is absolutely congratulations for all of you. 1.97 USD dollar. Oh my goodness. They already do it, my friends. Just do it. Wait for the end of this day, my friends. I hope they will give you 2 USD dollar. And the end, my friend, it's possible to they will give you, my friends, 3.5 USD dollar. Have they starting moving upward? Definitely it's a profit time, my friend. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. The future will be bright. So kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, and for more this type informative video, kindly you just subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.